Hi everyone, I'm here today with Abhay Saboo, co-founder of CoLearn. CoLearn is an EdTech company in Indonesia. Abhay, you've always told me a very expansive mission for CoLearn. How has your business model evolved to solve for that mission?
Our goal, as you've known, has been always to get Indonesia from the bottom 10% of PISA rankings in math, science, and up to the top 50%. And to do this, we always feel there's two things we need to accomplish. One is educational outcomes, and the second is scale. When COVID hit, we had to make the decision of the way forward, whether we continue with our offline or offline-online combination, or whether we go completely all in into online. There was certain areas which were not being serviced, and so we said we will completely close off our offline centers, go online through a combination of AI-powered homework help, as well as live interactive classes. So we launched that in August with math only. And currently we've added physics, chemistry. We're in the process of adding English as the subject. Over the course of this evolution, we went from 200 kids in the offline setting to now 4 million students who we service through our app and through WhatsApp.
No, that's incredible. And I've seen that journey up close. Abhay, there's been a proliferation of EdTech globally. We have several portfolio companies in India doing various different models. And in general, the ecosystem has flourished very well in EdTech. Tell us a little bit about what you've seen unique in Indonesia and how are you incorporating that in your model?
In India, you have a culture of tiger parents, whereas in Indonesia, that culture doesn't really exist. Education is often seen as an expense and not as an investment. And therefore, the role of the students is actually much bigger in Indonesia. And so how do we tackle this issue of motivation? The first one is through our AI-powered homework help, we make difficult subjects like math, physics, chemistry, subjects that kids usually run away from. We make them easy for kids to access from the convenience of their home with easy to understand step-by-step videos. We chose videos because we believe that videos speak a million words. These videos are easy for them to understand, created by the best tutors and created with love. They actually put in thought even into things like their voice intonation to make sure that kids feel motivated while listening to these videos. Second step is by providing them a community of other students and teachers who actually care for them. And motivation, again, for us was not a one-time thing. So motivation for these kids was all about consistent, repeated exposure to a positive community of people that will support them throughout the course of a semester or throughout the course of a year. That's what we picked up from our offline background, where we saw that kids want to have interactive, fun, engaging classes. We've also picked up other things like making sure that kids have the same schedule from the beginning of the semester to the end of the semester so that they can be studying with the same cohort of friends. And we've seen that all of this has had an impact.
The community part is truly exceptional. And we've been noticing some signs of that in the product. Abhay, tell us a little bit about what's ahead in the next 6 months, 12 months, or 3 years for CoLearn.
We believe that there are a lot of well-known brands that exist in Indonesia and regionally. However, in Indonesia, we feel like there is an opportunity to still build the most trusted brand. Trust in education for us equates to results. Results with their grades going up, but not just their grades, also their motivation and their confidence levels going up. Recently, there's been this word, ambis. It's an offshoot of the word ambitious. It means goal-oriented, having a target, being disciplined. This is a word recently coined in the high school and college community of Indonesia. And oftentimes, kids who are labeled ambis are actually isolated because they're seen to be not social. And what we want to do now over the course of the next few months and next few years is making studying and being ambis into something which is cool. It is cool to study on the weekends. It is cool to study ahead of time. It is cool to take notes. It's cool to ask questions. And by celebrating these kids who actually are disciplined and motivated, we hope that other children in Indonesia will also follow suit.
Thank you so much for your time, Abhay. And on behalf of all of us at Surge, it's been wonderful to work with you and the CoLearn team. We're very, very excited about what you're building.